HubSpot. Product reviews. HubSpot is an all-in-one marketing, sales, and customer service software that aims to help businesses grow and succeed. The platform offers a wide range of features and tools to help businesses streamline their marketing and sales processes, manage customer relationships, and improve customer experience. As a result, I decided to try out HubSpot for myself and see how it could benefit my business. First and foremost, HubSpot's user interface is intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy to navigate and use. The platform's dashboard provides a comprehensive overview of all marketing, sales, and customer service activities, making it easy to keep track of everything in one place. Additionally, the platform offers a wide range of integrations with other tools and software, allowing users to streamline their workflows and reduce manual data entry. One of the key features of HubSpot is its marketing automation tools, which allow businesses to automate their marketing campaigns and workflows. The platform offers a wide range of tools for creating, managing, and analyzing marketing campaigns, including email marketing, social media marketing, and content marketing. These tools make it easy to create personalized and targeted marketing campaigns that are tailored to the needs and interests of your audience. Another standout feature of HubSpot is its sales tools, which help businesses manage their sales pipelines and close deals more efficiently. The platform offers a range of features for lead tracking, deal management, and sales analytics, which provide valuable insights into your sales performance and help you identify areas for improvement. Additionally, HubSpot sales tools integrate seamlessly with the marketing tools, allowing businesses to track leads from initial contact to close of sale. But perhaps the most impressive aspect of HubSpot is its customer service tools, which help businesses provide exceptional customer service and support. The platform offers a range of features for managing customer interactions, including a ticketing system for managing customer inquiries, a knowledge base for providing self-service support, and a live chat function for real-time customer support. These tools make it easy to deliver fast and effective customer support, which can help improve customer satisfaction and loyalty. Overall, I have found HubSpot to be an incredibly useful and effective platform for managing my business's marketing, sales, and customer service activities. The platform's intuitive user interface, comprehensive range of features, and seamless integrations have helped me streamline my workflows and improve my business's overall efficiency. If you're looking for an all-in-one platform to help you grow and succeed, I would highly recommend giving HubSpot a try. HubSpot offers a whole suite of integrated marketing, sales, CRM, and service software tools designed to help businesses grow better. I have personally been using HubSpot for a few months now and am impressed with the ease of use and functionality of many of their products. While no product is perfect, HubSpot comes closer than most to offering an integrated platform to help businesses attract customers, close sales, and deliver an exceptional customer experience. HubSpot CRM is the heart of their system, providing a database to store and organize all your customer data. The interface is very user-friendly with a clean layout and simple menus. It is easy to create and manage contacts and companies, add notes, tasks, and emails to those records. One of the standout features is the ability to create custom properties and drop-down lists for any object.